As a specialist and technology leader in the field of special civil engineering, you can rely on us as your dependable and competent partner for consulting, planning, and construction in challenging subsoil environments. Using state-of-the-art technologies, we will realize your project safely and economically. Our team of experts will devise tailor-made design solutions for the needs of each individual project, catering to a wide variety of subsoil conditions and site scenarios. We are a leading manufacturer of anchors and micropiles. Our modern production methods allow us to react quickly to the requirements of the construction site and to implement custom solutions and special requests on schedule. Our modern production facility is located in Colbitz near Magdeburg. We process more than 2,000 tons of steel here every year. Micropiles transfer an applied force to a load-bearing layer in the subsoil using skin friction. They consist of a load-bearing element made of threaded steel, which is covered with cement stone along its entire length. Anti-corrosion protection is provided by a factory-made and extruded casing made of PE pipe. Micropiles are produced in several stages. Work preparation for production of micropiles is triggered by an order from the construction site. Cut-to-length threaded steel sections placed on work trestles and spacer mats are attached. The PE plastic coil at the bottom end of the steel is attached with adhesive tape and then wrapped around the steel. At the plain airside end of the ribbed pipe, the PE cord is fixed with adhesive tape and then cut off. Cut-to-length PE corrugated pipe is pulled on from the bottom end of the steel to the air end. The protrusion of the steel is taken into account. A plastic cap with an injection connection is attached to the earth end of the micropile. A ventilation cap is then attached to the air end of the corrugated pipe. The ventilation hose is fitted with an upward vent tube that acts as a settling funnel. The pre-assembled steel supporting elements are transported onto the inclined plane. The pre-assembled steel supporting elements are then injected from bottom to top via the injection port, which is fitted with a non-return valve. Our site teams recognize changes in the subsoil at an early stage that make it necessary to adjust the micropiles. Using our own production facilities, we can implement the required modifications to the micropiles quickly and flexibly. Grouted anchors transfer an applied tensile force to a load-bearing layer in the subsoil. This is how we achieve high anchor forces of up to 7,500 kilonewtons. Our system of single rod and strand anchors give us an extensive and flexible range of products. Our duplex anchor is approved as a permanent anchor in Germany. The anchor data is transmitted from the construction site to production and recorded during order preparation. The order is then sent to the strand anchor machine. First, the monostrands are cut to length and the PE sheathing is made. At the same time, the free armature length is greased by machine. Then the required quantity is produced. The ends of the cladding tube are then covered with shrink tubing. The strands are bundled and the dimensions of the anchor are checked. The steel bands in the adhesive area and the plastic bands in the free anchor length are stretched. Finally, the manufactured anchor is rolled up and the type plate is attached. Micropiles and anchor piles are manufactured in accordance with general planning approvals. Our production facilities are certified for the development and production of anchors as part of external monitoring by the Materials Testing Institute in Dortmund. Quality control plans for the materials, installed components, and individual production steps ensure the quality of the end products. The traceability of the materials used ensures complete documentation of the supply chain. our experienced production team will also support your construction site with safe and economical implementation.